Hello and welcome everyone. From today we are going to start a new series that is world literature, and first of all we are going to cover the Australian literature. So those who are new, do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to never miss an update. The co-learners, you are always welcome to share the channel with your fellow friends. And here comes another good news from our team that our team has created a Telegram channel for daily MCQ practice. So do join there. The link is available in the description box. So Australian literature. First of all, I am going to introduce what Australian literature is, and here is the general introduction of Australian literature. The Australian literature is the written or literary work produced in the area or by the people of the Commonwealth of Australia and its preceding colonies. The Commonwealth of Australia was discovered by Captain James Cook on 23rd April 1770. It is the white settlers who came to Australia from all over the world and started colony there. The first white landed in Australia in 1788. First settlement in Australia called First Fleet. While talking about Australian literature, we have to begin from the Aboriginal period, that is before the white settlements. The natives of Australia had their own oral stories, poetry, which were both for their educational and entertainment purposes. These oral stories were, for the first time, written down and documented by the white explorers. The Australians who have obtained international fame, including Patrick White, as well as authors like Christian Stade, David Malouf, Peter Carey, Thomas Keneally, Maurice West, Eddie Howe, and others. The first Aboriginal writer to publish a book was David Unaipon. Here in this video, I am going to discuss about two most important writers of Australian literature, and they are David Malouf and Patrick White. I will upload video on the rest of the writers during the course of the time. So let's begin. David Malouf. David George Joseph Malouf is an Australian writer, novelist, playwright and short story writer. He was awarded with various international prizes, and he is very important and famous of the Australian writers in the early days. His 1993 novel Remembering Babylon was awarded with Impact Dublin Literary Award, and for this novel he won the inaugural Australian Asian Literary Award, and in 2008 he was shortlisted for the Booker Prize, and his memoir is 12 Edmonton Street. His first novel, Jono. The first novel of David Malouf is Jono, and it is the semi-autobiographical tale of a young man growing up in the Brisbane during the World War I, or that is during the First World War. His novella Fly Away Peter won the Age Book of the Year Prize in 1982. His epic novel is The Great World, published in 1990. It is the story of two Australians and the relationship amidst the turmoil of the First and Second World Wars. His Booker shortlisted novel is Remembering Babylon. It is set in northern Australia during the 1850s amid a community of English immigrant farmers. The important works of David Maloof are novels. Important novels are, here is a list of important works of David Maloof. You can take a screenshot and read those novels, their summaries. Please take and note down the important characters, events from these works. These are really important for exam purposes, and Australian literature is very much important for NET. Now, Patrick White. Patrick White is regarded as the father of Australian literature, and he is the first to own Nobel Prize as an Australian writer, and he is also regarded as the most important novelist of 20th century. In 1973, he is awarded with the Nobel Prize and is the first Australian to own the Nobel Prize. He wrote a collection of poetry entitled The Ploughman and Other Poems, and also wrote a play named Bread and Butter Woman. Do read the summary of Bread and Butter Woman from Wikipedia. It is available there. For his novel Happy Valley, he won the Australian Literature Society Gold Medal. It is dedicated to his friend artist Roy DeMaistre. The important works of Patrick White are Happy Valley. It is his first novel. Then comes The Living and the Dead. It is his second published book, and it is written in the early ages of Second World War. Then comes The Ant Story. It is about Theodora Goodman, a lonely middle-aged woman who traveled to France after her mother's death and then comes to Australia and then comes to America. The Tree of Man. It is about the Parker family. The title of The Tree of Man is taken from A.E. Houseman's poetry cycle, A Shropshire Lad. Voss is the breakthrough of Patrick White's, and it is based upon the life of the 19th century Prussian explorer and naturalist Ludwig Lichert, who disappeared whilst an expedition into the Australian outbreak. Voss is included in the university syllabus. Those who have opted to read Australian literature, that is included under the umbrella term New Literatures. Do read the summary of Voss. It is important. Here is two characters of Voss. Do read yourself. The Solid Mandala. It has total 4 chapters, and it is the story of two brothers, Waldo and Arthur Brown. Here is a list of short stories of Patrick White. Take a note of this. Here is the plays of Patrick White and the screenplays. To take a screenshot and make a notes in your own notebook. Thank you.